Before language took human form, there existed another way to speak with creation itself. Prophets did not look down to the earth for answers, but upward to the heavens in deep stillness. The stars listened before they were ever studied, named, or measured. Light carried meaning rather than distance or decoration. The night sky was not silent but aware and responsive to intention. Creation answered before it was questioned or challenged. Words were unnecessary where understanding was shared completely. Alignment replaced grammar and intention replaced sound. Meaning moved faster than breath, thought, or voice, and the universe answered without delay or confusion. The sky felt alive with awareness and purpose. Silence became conversation rather than absence. Truth traveled freely without resistance or distortion. This language was not spoken with the mouth but with awareness, presence, and alignment. Prophets learned it through stillness, not study, repetition, or effort. Each star held a phrase of creation encoded in its light. Constellations formed sentences, not patterns or symbols for navigation. Light shifted subtly to convey warning, guidance, and promise together. Time did not interrupt these messages or distort their meaning. The sky spoke as one unified voice across distance. Meaning flowed without confusion, contradiction, or debate. Truth could not be hidden within it, and misunderstanding did not exist at all. Knowledge arrived whole, not fragmented. Revelation carried peace, not fear. Light remembered what humanity later forgot. They prepared themselves through silence, patience, restraint, and surrender. Desire was quieted before revelation arrived. The heart became the instrument of hearing rather than the mind. Fear distorted the language and was removed slowly. Pride blocked the signal and was undone completely. Only humility allowed clarity to remain steady. The stars did not shout, demand, or overwhelm. They revealed themselves slowly through alignment. Listening became obedience without force or fear, and understanding became responsibility, not power. Awareness sharpened without arrogance. Purpose guided interpretation rather than desire. The listener was changed by what was heard forever. The stars shifted when prophets spoke with alignment rather than command. Light adjusted to intention, not dominance or authority. The heavens acknowledged awareness rather than hierarchy. Messages traveled without distance, delay, or interference. Time bent gently around meaning instead of resisting it. The universe recognized those who listened correctly. Creation responded with balance rather than reward. Knowledge arrived without corruption, misuse, or control. Power was restrained by purpose, humility, and restraint, and harmony was preserved across realms. The sky remained open to the worthy. Silence protected truth from misuse. Alignment sustained order beyond law. Humanity desired control instead of alignment, patience, and listening. Knowledge was pursued without restraint, humility, or responsibility. Words replaced understanding and sound replaced meaning. The language of creation required humility, not dominance or ambition. Pride fractured listening and intention. Fear corrupted interpretation and purpose. The stars grew silent to protect balance and order. Prophets spoke less and remembered more. The sky withdrew its voice gently, not violently, and the language faded into myth, symbol, and memory. Silence replaced conversation. Distance replaced closeness. Humanity forgot how to listen upward and within. The final prophet, who still heard the stars, did not seek them openly or proudly. He listened in secret beneath quiet nights and unmarked skies. His awareness was shaped through loss, sacrifice, and restraint rather than learning. Silence followed him like a shadow that never left. The stars spoke to him faintly as echoes, not voices. Light answered only when humility was complete and unquestioned. Messages arrived fragmented yet pure and undistorted. He understood more than he could ever repeat or teach. Words failed him when meaning was whole and living, and he carried the burden of knowing it would end with him. Memory weighed heavier than revelation. Knowing became a responsibility rather than a power. He guarded what could not be passed on. The sky did not fall silent suddenly or violently. Each generation heard less than the one before it. Constellations dimmed not in light but in meaning and response. Messages shortened slowly into signs. Signs turned into symbols remembered but not understood. Symbols became stories passed without alignment. Stories lost precision over time and repetition. Interpretation replaced listening and presence. Authority replaced humility and patience. The heavens responded by withdrawing further without warning. And silence slowly became permanent and complete. Distance replaced intimacy. Wonder faded into observation. The sky became background instead of voice. Without the language, humanity turned inward for answers and control. Harmony was replaced by dominance and ambition. Power replaced balance and restraint. Knowledge grew rapidly without wisdom to guide it. Stars became objects rather than voices or companions. The sky became distant rather than intimate. Creation was studied instead of respected. Meaning fragmented into belief systems and arguments. Conflict grew where understanding once lived naturally. And separation replaced connection across generations. Humanity forgot how to ask without demanding. Listening was replaced by seeking proof. Silence was feared instead of honored. Though forgotten, the language was not destroyed completely or erased. Echoes remained within human intuition and wonder. Awe survived in moments beyond explanation. Silence still carried meaning for those who listened deeply. The night sky stirred questions no book could answer. Alignment appeared briefly in prayer, reflection, and surrender. Some felt truth without explanation or evidence. Others sensed guidance without words or symbols. These moments were remnants, not accidents or imagination. And the language waited quietly beneath awareness. It surfaced in stillness rather than noise. It spoke through humility rather than certainty. It survived through feeling rather than thought. The stars will not speak through dominance, demand, or command. They will answer alignment, patience, and humility alone. The language returns only when control is released completely. Listening must come before asking or seeking. Meaning must matter more than power or certainty. Silence must be respected again rather than feared. Awareness must precede authority and knowledge. When humanity remembers how to listen upward and inward together, the sky will respond without force or display. And creation will speak once more in understanding, not to rule but to align, not to control but to guide, not to impress but to restore balance. If this forgotten language of the stars awakens something within you, stay connected. Like the video to uncover more secrets hidden in creation. Subscribe to explore truths prophets once guarded in silence. Comment, stars, if you believe humanity will listen again.